Hey, hello, how are you? In this moment, I'm going to share with you by myself. My name is Angelin Baez de la Cruz. I am 23 years old and I live in Sanchez Samana, Dominican Republic. I have 2 years and 4 months married. My husband's name is Anderson de la Cruz. For the moment, we don't have babies. I am a banker in Nordestana. My work is in Luperón Street, number 74, next to the hospital. In my free time, I like to go to the beach with my husband and friends. Every day, I get up, I pray with my Lord, I take a shower, I brush my teeth, I drink a cup of coffee, I get dressed, I go to my work by a motorcycle. At 12, I have lunch. I continue working. At 6, I go home by motorcycle. I do my homework. I make the dinner. I wash the dishes. I take a shower and I go bed. Before, I was living in Santiago, but when I get married, I moved to Sanchez. My father's name is Ramon Baez. He is 49 years old and he is a manager in a company. My mother's name is Magali. She is 45 years old and she is a dealer. My brother's name is Carlos Baez. He is 25 years old and he is a driver. And my sister's name is Yaritza Baez. She is 22 years old and she is a student. This was my beautiful history. I hope you like it. Thank you.